So Blendspace, also known as TES Teach, is actually a really amazing website. I've used it multiple times in different classes as I have been planning lesson plans and getting prepared to teach. So this website is a way to compile lesson plans and to compile all of your materials that you need for a class. So this page right here you can see is my personal page. I have different lesson plans that I've been working on. Just a quick look at some of them. So we want to go to this. So human development, this is for human development class. The unit is middle childhood, and this is the second day that I planned for. So I'll give it just a second here. You can see up at the top we have the title, which you can rename it if you want it to be easier to find, if there's a different organization method that you would like to use. But this first document is my lesson plan. You can add little notes down here at the bottom of if you want to remember anything specifically about it. I have notes for the kids. They're going to be doing a presentation, and so these are the notes of the information that needs to be in it. I've also linked some videos here as well for examples that the students can look at, and we can watch them in class. So I guess you can use this website in different ways. It can be, just as a teacher, it can be your own personal resource that you use to get your lesson plans ready and make sure you have all of your information, all the documents that you need. You also can share the link with your students if you want them to be able to go and watch the videos and do that on their own as well. For me, I just have it set up for my personal use. So we can do a little tutorial here, so let's go back to that main page. And I'm going to create a new lesson. So now that I have my new lesson here, I'm going to move to the side just a little bit. Over here along the right, this is how you're going to add things to your lesson plan. So, if I want to add a document, you can see, first of all, you could search YouTube. So if there was a link that I wanted to add, I can type it in right here and it would pull up the video, and I would just drag and drop it into this resource box over here. You can search Google, adding websites, adding images, Flickr, the web page, just all sorts of things. You can go right from Google Drive, Dropbox. A lot of times I'll just add a file. So these are files that I've added in the past. So say I have a lesson on protein. So this is a file that I uploaded from my own computer, and it will show up here in this list, and I can just drag and I can drop it right over here. And then when I click on it, it will bring me right to the document, so I can view that and see what's on there, make sure that it has everything that I need. And the great thing from here, I can download it onto the computer that I'm using. So this is great because you can have your lesson plans online anytime you need them. But if you want to have the extra security of making sure that nothing goes wrong with the internet, when you're using your computer, you can go ahead and download it so that you have it with you there. You can also print it off or save to OneDrive. And I can come back over here. So this is super simple and super easy. You can also add PowerPoints. So I'm going to add a PowerPoint here that goes along with my protein lesson. And same thing, you can just view your PowerPoint right here. But again, I would recommend downloading it just in case you don't want to have any problems. But really, this is a super simple way to put together all of your resources that you have Make sure that you have everything in one place and that you're ready to teach at any time and any place. Very simple, and also, like I said before, it's easy to share. You can share it with fellow teachers. You can share the link with your students if you want them to view the videos. But you just come right over here to the share button, and it's going to go ahead and give you a link, so you can copy and paste that link and send it to whoever you want to. So it's as simple as that.